fresh standoff between Accompong Maroon leadership and the local authorities, this time over forest resources. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live both on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. A very special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I am Javon Keys. Also this evening, tragedy in St. Thomas. 2 teens killed in road crash and victims of burial urged to rebuild their homes with storm straps. There's also the business review, sports and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.